A 5-minute mini desktop rain garden is built using a mason jar, pebbles, activated charcoal, and a tiny succulent. First, a thin layer of pebbles creates drainage, then charcoal is sprinkled to keep the air fresh and roots happy. Next, a light soil layer is added, the succulent is gently placed, and extra soil is tucked around the roots. Mist the plant lightly, the jar is sealed, and it is positioned by a bright window so droplets sparkle. Viewers watch it thrive and share their compact oasis with friends as this tiny garden anchors a cheerful workspace.